Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an eyeshadow tutorial. This is called the silent treat. It's called silent treatment, but it sounds like kind of creepy. That's why, I was like, ooh, maybe I have like a creepy background to go with the silent treatment. Anyways, if you guys are wondering how to get this eyeshadow look, just stay tuned. I am like blown out of the water with this, and I will let you guys see why. Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm going to grab the eyelid color first with a small packer brush, just a flat brush that grabs a little bit more product. And I'm going to place this all over the eyelid first. Now I did prime my eyes with an eyeshadow primer. I am using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the color Eden. So all I'm doing, as you can see, is just placing this throughout the eyelid. I like to take it up just a little bit right there, touching that crease. Go ahead and get a nice fluffy brush and go ahead and take the transition color and put this in the crease area, just as so. Just kind of sweeping back and forth. Now I do take the transition color a pinch higher. I like my transition colors to kind of show as the under pigment, okay, so, or the transition color, the under pigment. Well, yeah, so this is going to be the base right here. You guys can see I'm taking it a little bit high. This is a stunning, it has like a little bit of a taupe color to this. This is an absolutely stunning transition shade, and I'm going to be taking it down right there in the corner as well. Now it's time to go with that crease color. This crease color is extremely powdery and a tad bit, it's a very bit dark. Okay, so I have it on the brush and I'm just going to put it directly in the crease, just a little bit below that transition color. Less is more, guys. Like I think I actually grabbed just a pinch too much, but that's fine. We're going to work with it. So just windshield wiper motions back and forth, just like that. I'm just going to go ahead and take a nice and clean brush and kind of wipe off any fallout, because I noticed this darker shade, it can fall out. I don't want it to mix with my eyelid color. Just keep wiping off the brush on a clean toilet paper or a clean towel. Make sure that when I put it back on the eye, it doesn't have any of that dark. Then I'm going to take it up here on the top, just making sure that that transition color is nice and cleaned up. Now I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and I'm going to go with the brow bone color and just place it right in here. Ooh, now that has quite a bit of shine to it. I'm also going to take it right here in the corner of the eye and just add a little bit of a bling, a focal point right there. And I'm going to blend that a little bit into the lid area, as you saw. Now I'm going to go back with that clean brush and I'm just going to kind of diffuse this super like pigmented, super like has some bling to it, the brow bone color, and just kind of diffuse it a little bit. Now I am going to take a very, very small brush. I'm going to take that transition color and I'm going to place it under the eye area right here. And I'm going to bring this all the way through, touching that corner, meeting into that highlight just a little bit. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some lashes and some mascara and I will be right back. So did you see what I saw? The colors are absolutely fabulous, and this transition color by far is my favorite transition color I have found in like years. It's like it has that like it's like a light. Well, you guys can see it. Let me just swatch it up close. I mean, you saw me put it in my eye, but when you actually swatch it on the hand, you see like it's a nude, right? But when I put it on my eye, it almost like it has like a khaki, rosy undertone that is so becoming. This is $2.99 at Walgreens. Absolutely amazing deal. Absolutely stunning. This very, very dark one is very powdery, so barely dip your brush in there. But if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, if you guys enjoyed this silent treatment, then please push that subscribe button and that little bell next to it and give this video a thumbs up. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.